your girl again, Georgia, aka Betty the Builder, and I am out here. I found this ottoman at the thrift store, and guys, please forgive me because I forgot how much I paid for it. It was probably definitely under $20, I'm sure, because I bought it a while ago and it's been in my storage. But when I went the other day to get some of my Christmas stuff, I saw it and I was like, you know what? Hubby is here. Let me see if I can get him to help me recover this, reupholster it, because I want to use it as a coffee table. So what I'm about to do now is just clean it up a little bit before we go ahead and reupholster it, because it was a little dirty. Even though I'm covering it, I still just want to freshen it up a little bit, clean it up a little bit, let it dry, and then go from there. And so I just have like some foaming cleaner, some diluted Simply Green, and then I have some cleaner that will give it a little bit of freshness. And so that's what I'm gonna do, just go ahead and spray it out, knock it out. And then I also have a little water and some vinegar in here to help if there's any smell or anything like that. Listen, save these little Honey Nut Cheerio, these little things that you use that you get cereal in, because they make a good thing for paint. They make a good thing for just a number of things. And so I'm just going to go ahead and wet it a little bit, spray it up. It's so warm outside, that's why I came out here. It'll dry quickly because it's so hot outside today. So get a little spray on here. Listen, whatever you have, just anything that will freshen it up, that will try and clean this up a little bit. And even though I'm covering it, but I still, sometimes, you know, we get a little freaked out because we don't know what it was, whose house it was in, and things like that. We just want to make sure that there's nothing in here. And you want it to just smell good. All of that good stuff. Since this is material, it has a little better already. Ooh, yes, and it was dirty, but this water is dirty. Hey, this water is dirty already. Ooh, it's dirty already. This is definitely a challenge for those of you who don't know, who haven't been following me. I just had knee replacement surgery a couple months ago, so I am definitely moving a lot slower, and it's a lot harder for me to knock out my crafts like I typically do, but I'm still getting it done, so I'm excited about it. So I'm just gonna finish cleaning this up. I'm not gonna record all that, y'all don't want to see that. And then I will come back after this dries, and then we will go ahead and start the reupholstery process. All right, y'all, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay guys, so we have finished doing this, and guess what? I'm super excited. When I started this in the beginning, I said I forgot how much I paid for this thing, but I said I knew it wasn't more than $20. So when I went to find the legs so that I can screw them back in here, I found the receipt, and guess what? $20 is what I paid for this sucker. I said $20, and that's what I paid, $20. I knew I wouldn't have paid more than that. So let's screw the legs on this sucker and see how it came out. It didn't even take as long as I thought. And so let's see how it turned out. For $20 because I already had the material, so it didn't cost me anything but $20 and some time. And so you guys can do this, but this was really kind of easy because it was such a square upholstery, so it wasn't really too hard other than just figuring out the corners. But I believe it came out. I like the way it came out. It came out pretty good. So let's get these legs on here. I'm excited because this has been in my storage shed for, I'm gonna look at the date and see when I purchased it, and then you'll know how long it has been in my storage unit. Make sure these are tight. And okay guys, here is the final project of this ottoman. I am super excited, and now I just got to figure out what I am going to decorate it with. I have so many coffee book tables and things that I pick up, but here it goes. Let me know what you think. I think it came out pretty awesome. And as you can see, orange is definitely my favorite color, but I think it came out awesome. And stay tuned, I did create this rug too on the floor, so I have to put that video up there of how I did this rug. But here we go, final project. And I did buy this thing last year. The date on this receipt is August 19th, 2024. So it has been well over a year that it was in my storage unit, but now here we are all finished, and I think it turned out awesome. All right guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you can get notified when I upload more videos.